least, dahil meron akong direct supply, no, kaya mas nakakapag-provide or nakakapag-offer kami na mas affordable treatment for our patients.
Hello po and congratulations. Your mission emphasizes accessible care for diverse patients. How do you balance offering premium, high-quality treatments and with affordability?
How do I balance? Siguro, blessing na rin talaga sa akin na I have my own dental supplies, no? Though, hindi naman lahat is available sa amin, but at least, dahil meron akong direct supply, no? Kaya mas nakakapag-provide or nakakapag-offer kami na mas affordable treatment for our patients.
Follow-up question po. Since meron po tayong dental anxiety, common barrier po siya for many people. And what specific protocols or amenities does Awesome Smile use to help patients feel relaxed during procedures?
For me, patients with dental anxiety, what I do, no, and our team, my co-associate dentist, we build their trust first. Diba? Kasi if ihiga agad yan, gagawan namin, talaga mahirap. Ako personally, I do oral surgeries, no? If the patient is not comfortable, minsan kasi napagkakamalan yung pain sa pressure, diba? Like for example, sa bunod, of course you need to add pressure and force, di ba, para matanggal natin yung ipin. Pero nakikita ko yung patient, hindi siya komportable kasi nga, takot siya sa dentista, madalas ganon. Ang ginagawa ko talaga, like, I pause, kailangan i-valid mo, like, kamusta yung patient? Okay ka lang ba? Masakit ba? Kasi, pag, alam mo, parang minamadali and hindi natin binabalis yung emotions, parang mas lalo sila natatakot eh. So ako, gusto ko, I build the trust of the patients first before doing any procedures. And if the patient is not okay na or hindi niya na kayang humanga, then we'll stop. Ganun lang siya. And then come back.
Actually, experience ko na po kasi siya yung sa takot po sa tulong sa anesthesia.
Diba?
Pero
Yun,
yung sa
we have
bunot
stress
naman,
balls naman
sa
din.
bunot naman kasi, wala ka naman feel. Kasi mararamdaman mo na binubunot talaga siya. Yun doon lang talaga sa pagbunot, yung nakakatakot. Kaya,
Igat.
Last question ko po is, from cosmetic dentistry and orthodontics to complex surgeries, which services are currently seeing the highest demand among your clients?
Among our clients, marami pa rin yung mga braces. Though, ang braces now are orthodontic treatment, hindi na lang tayo nag-focus sa metal. We also have the newest innovation na rin, like if you heard about aligners, clear aligners, or yung brands na Invisalign. So, marami pa rin yun. Kasi, like for example, sa mga crowns or veneers, may mga cases na that needs to start muna sa treatment ng braces before kami mag-proceed sa veneers or cosmetics.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Next question.